Do you know how to use a stem and leaf plot to analyze data? Let's take a look at a real-world problem and then look at how to use a stem and leaf plot to draw conclusions about the data. The students at Marcos Middle School were asked to ride their bikes on a weekend and to record the number of miles that they rode. The students did this, and on Monday morning they came in with their data. Their teacher, Mr. Harris, wrote this data on the blackboard. Here are the number of miles that the students rode. You can see that the students rode anywhere between 10 and 35 miles. Some students only rode 10 miles. Some students rode as much as 35 miles. Mr. Harris asked the students to put this data in a stem and leaf plot. Do you know how to do that? Well, first, we're going to need two columns. We're going to need a stem column and a leaf column. The stem column is the digits of the largest place. So here we have 10s, 20s, and 30s. So we're going to list the stem 1, 2, and 3 to represent the 10s, the 20s, and the 30s. The leaves that we're going to list are the digits that are in the ones place for each of those values. So in this first column, we have leaves that are 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 8. And we can list those as, well, actually we can say them as 10, 11, 12, 12, 12, 14, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, and 18. And you can see that those are the values that are listed right here. Now in the 20s, we have 20, 22, 23, and 24. And in the 30s, we have 30, 31, and 35. Now that you look at the data, are there any conclusions that you can make? Well, the first thing you're going to notice right away is that most of the students fall in this category. The miles between 10 and 18 are the greatest numbers of students rode those miles. So we can make the conclusion that the greatest number of students biked between 10 and 18 miles. Notice that the stem and leaf plot is a chance to take a quick look at the data and draw a quick conclusion. Let's write our conclusion down on the next screen. Most of the students rode between 10 and 18 miles. This is the conclusion that we can draw based on the representation of the data in a stem and leaf plot.